I was busy trying to come up with new video ideas one day, you know, really working hard. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just kind of hit me. I need a studio. And so that's exactly what we're doing today. We're gonna put together a brand new studio. I'd like the videos to look better than they did before. And in order for that to happen, we're gonna need some new gear. Okay. The nice thing is that I already have a really great camera, the Sony a6500, so we can check that off the list. Now, for the new stuff. You may have noticed I left one key item off of that list. So first, let's talk about the whiteboard situation. All right, so first we tried to put the whiteboard directly on the wall. It was bubbling, and when you wrote, it didn't look good because of all the texture. So we got a piece of plywood, stuck the whiteboard on that, stuck that up on the wall. Oh, baby, and it's much better. Also got some new lights. Got 3 of these Neewer kind of flat pancake lights, and I just angled them up against the wall. In the ceiling, I've got 2 on one side, then 1 on the other. And here's the new mic setup. The receiver plugs directly into my camera, making it super simple, and then the transmitter just goes right in my pocket. This is what the audio sounds like with just my camera recording. And this is what it sounds like with my new lav mic. All right, the studio's finally done. Let's go check it out. So here's a brand new studio. We got new whiteboard, we got new lights, new tripod, and new audio equipment, maybe most importantly. And speaking of new audio equipment, over the years, the amount of comments that I've gotten from all of you guys about how terrible my mic was. And I want to shout out one specific comment. I'm speaking to you, Kaiju KT. I know it was a year ago, but how does this microphone sound? But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys like the new studio. The links for everything I got are in the description below. Hopefully you think it looks a lot better, and I hope I didn't waste all my money for nothing.